Upgrading your crafting station, journaling hobby, or small business packaging with custom high-resolution photo prints and precise die-cut stickers without juggling separate desktop printers and manual cutting machines usually means transitioning to an all-in-one creative workstation. The Liene PixCut S1 Inspire Kit all-in-one color sticker printer and cutting machine redefines craft productivity by combining professional thermal dye sublimation color printing, automated digital cutting, and a massive supply kit into a single compact device. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its dual-function thermal dye sublimation printing engine paired with an integrated precision cutter. Instead of struggling with inkjet smears or wrestling with hand scissors and Cricut mats for small sticker sheets, this clever hybrid system prints vivid 300 dpi photos with an automatic overcoat layer, making them water dash, fade dash, and fingerprint resistant, and immediately cuts out your custom shapes with exact computerized accuracy. Performance and everyday versatility streamline projects, ranging from custom planner stickers and scrapbooking to photo walls and product labeling. Driven by an intuitive companion app loaded with creative templates, editing tools, and design assets, the machine lets you design and output stickers wirelessly from your smartphone or tablet. Day-to-day usability is supercharged by the included Inspire Kit, containing a generous 180-sheet media supply, 36 photo sheets, and 144 sticker sheets, ensuring you can start printing and cutting right out of the box without hunting for specialty refill paper. Things to consider before you buy, because this is an all-in-one compact desktop printer and cutter designed for custom photos and stickers. It is optimized for smaller format media rather than large poster printing or heavy industrial vinyl cutting. Additionally, you will want to use Liene's proprietary dye sublimation paper and sticker rolls to ensure proper thermal transfer and flawless alignment with the built-in cutter. So who is this really for? This all-in-one sticker printer and cutter is an absolute home run for journal enthusiasts, DIY crafters, bullet journalers, and small business owners who want to effortlessly print vibrant photos and precision-cut stickers at home. If you are looking for a massive commercial wide-format vinyl plotter for vehicle wraps or a standard office laser printer for printing multi-page text documents, a dedicated office or industrial machine will better suit your workflow. Is it worth the money? If you value sharp 300 dpi thermal dye sublimation photo printing, automated shape cutting, seamless app integration, and a massive 180-sheet starter kit, it is a premier, highly creative investment for turning your designs into physical stickers and photos instantly.